In 2023, many people are looking for ways to save money and live a more sustainable lifestyle. Frugal people have long known the value of living within their means. And adopting frugal habits can help you achieve your financial goals. Today, we'll look at 10 detailed habits that you can adopt to save money and live a more sustainable lifestyle. 1. Cook at home. One of the most significant ways to save money is by cooking at home. As we all understand that dining out and ordering takeout can add up quickly, so prioritize preparing your meals at home. Plan your meals in advance, buy groceries in bulk, and use affordable ingredients to create nutritious and tasty meals. 2. Use coupons. Using coupons is an easy way to save money on everyday items. Scour the internet, local newspapers, and coupon apps to find the best deals. Look for store-specific coupons, loyalty programs, and reward programs to maximize your savings. 3. Buy in bulk. Buying in bulk can save you money in the long run. Purchase large quantities of items you use regularly that needs replenishment frequently. Look for sales on bulk items, compare prices across different stores, and use your math skills to calculate the cost per unit. 4. Use a budget. A budget is an essential tool for saving money. It helps you keep track of your income and expenses, prioritize your spending, and save money for your future goals. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to stay organized and motivated. 5. Shop sales. Always keep an eye out for sales and discounts. Waiting for the right time to buy can save tons of money. Use price tracking apps to monitor the prices of the items you want to purchase and wait until you see a significant discount before making a purchase. 6. Repurpose old items. Frugal people are masters at repurposing old items. So, find creative ways to use items you already own instead of buying something new. For example, you might use an old t-shirt as a cleaning cloth, turn a mason jar into a candle holder, or transform an old ladder into a bookshelf. 7. Use public transportation. Save money on gas and car maintenance by using public transportation whenever possible. Many cities offer discounted fares for students, seniors, and low-income individuals. If you're a regular rider, consider purchasing a monthly or weekly pass, which can provide additional savings. Use bike-sharing programs or walk instead of driving short distances. 8. Cancel subscriptions. Take a critical look at your monthly subscriptions and cancel ones you don't use or need. Prioritize essential subscriptions like healthcare and insurance while canceling memberships for streaming services, gym memberships, or magazine subscriptions. 9. Make homemade cleaning products. Try to make cleaning products yourself using simple and affordable ingredients like vinegar and baking soda. Try to use natural cleaning solutions that are environmentally friendly and safe for your health. 10. DIY home repairs. Learn how to do basic home repairs themselves instead of hiring a professional. Watch DIY videos on YouTube, attend free workshops at your local hardware store, or ask for advice from experienced friends or family members. Invest in basic tools like a hammer, screwdriver, and wrench to tackle any home improvement project. Overall, adopting frugal habits is a great way to save money, live a more sustainable lifestyle, and prioritize what is truly important in life. With a bit of effort and planning, you can surely adopt these habits and achieve your financial goals. Hope you enjoyed our content. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more.